Okay, okay. So we are for a trade breakdown from today. We are the yes. So let's start. We go on the daily. So with the premise that we saw yesterday, it took the monthly, the August buy side liquidity, and this buy side liquidity. There when the two they were the two main one for the week. They were my target. So that was for the daily. How we can see the market came above, made a sum of manipulation. So here was we can see here the power of 3. Here it made the manipulation here. So going on the lower time frame, you can see what happened. Up, up, going on the 1 hour, which will be clearer. So going on the 15 minute, sorry, 5 minute. Not that, but 1 minute. So what happened is we can see that here we have a sell side of chart coming. Then coming on the chart, we have a SMT divergence with the ES, so that was a sign of strength. Then the market, when the session start, pushed up and take this level of liquidity, all this minor liquidity. So we had this liquidity swept, the SMT with the ES. Then what happened is the market make here a market structure shift. We had this fair value gap and this breaker. The market consolidated the breaker for a long time, so I decided to take a position. So then what we can see here, we have again as yesterday the sell side of curve. We have minor liquidity here, minor here, and the main one here. So I'm aim for here about here, and it hit my target. So that's pretty what. So to recap, we had liquidity swept with the SMT divergence with a market structure shift, breaker plus fair value gap. I put my stop loss above this little fair value gap, and I aim for all the minor liquidity of the sell side of curve. So again, the most important is coming from the higher time frame and seeing what is the story. I need my story. I need my story to know, my narrative to know what's happening. So again, on the daily, you can clearly see how it took yesterday the main liquidity, big buy side liquidity. After a big liquidity being swept, a lot of the time we expect the market to retrace a little bit. So that's what happened. And you can clearly see, or even on the 5 minute, I don't know if you will see the SMT. But yeah, you can clearly see the SMT divergence. And on the 5 minute you can see, you can clearly see when we zoom in, market structure shift, simple 222 model. So that was it. And thank you. Bye bye.